Morning, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. I want to share with you a Ford Fusion Energi. This one right here, brought to us from Michigan. People still bringing us their transmissions, but this one drove into the shop. It would run for about 5 minutes and then it would turn off. And we diagnosed it as a bad transmission. And here is the transmission we pulled out of it. Look at this. A hole has completely worn through the casing. You can see all this metal and carnage up in the casing. It took out the dampener or the clutch. I'll show you what that looks like here in a second, but look how bad that is. All the way in. And this car still ran. This drove into the shop. It didn't drive nicely into the shop, but it drove in. So let me show you what the flywheel. All right, and here is the flywheel. As you can see, it is all kind of hammered up on the front of it. We had a massive oil leak. You can see the oil here on the bottom coming out, which we know clearly why now. It's because there's a hole in the transmission and shot it all out. So we're gonna replace this dampener. We're gonna put some new hardware in there. New transmissions going in. Let me show you what that looks like. So here is what, this is an HF35 Energi transmission. Why do we have it sitting on the side like that? Well, there's a special reason for that, and I'll explain that in another video, but we're basically seasoning our transmission, making sure the fluid is getting all the bearings before we put it up in there, just kind of like a pre-lubrication that we do, because we don't pressurize the system before we start it up. But we just got it sitting here letting all the juice get to the bottom, but we'll get this done. But if you need a transmission replaced or rebuilt on your car, this is a freshly remanned one that's going in. You can reach out to us at 615-802-5550. You can reach me online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com or come see us in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. We do all Fusion hybrids, Energies, C-Max hybrids and Energies, and MKZ hybrids. So let us know how we can help you out. Have a great day.